What's a girl gotta do to get some nice wood around here?
Steal it from the side of the road?
Steal? We are rescuing wood.
Right, questionable heroes.
And this is our getaway vehicle. This is the Aipas E-Bike, and honestly, it looks like it eats other bikes for breakfast. Based on the specs, it might be part motorcycle.
1800 watts of power, which means when you sneeze on a throttle, you're in another zip code.
No, it means if we find some good wood, we get there first. This thing can go up to 36 miles an hour.
So basically illegal.
No, it has a 48-volt battery and it can go up to 85 miles range before it dies.
Which is perfect because we don't know where we're going.
All right, let's jump on.
Hold on, what is the weight limit for it?
Oh, it's 500 pounds, we're good. Let's go.
Perfect, let's go.
Lass uns anfangen.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
Safety first, so let's put on some helmets before we take this bike on a spin. And now we are ready for takeoff, which was pretty easy with this bike.
What's potting mode activated?
Scan the roadsides. We're looking for premium, slightly abandoned lumber. Oh, have a look at this lumber right here. Let's stop real quick.
This is not the wood I had in mind.
This is emotionally disappointing. Let's keep looking.
Why is it so fast?
Because we deserve better wood! Let's go and find some better wood in here. What about this? No, that's too small. I'm gonna go and check up here. Hey, up here! I found some really good lumber up here.
Down, please, now.
Okay. Okay, there's nothing here. I think we should go to the next spot. Actually, you know, it would be really epic to climb this mountain. Let's do it. This is so cool. We would have never made it out here without the bike. I love the possibilities it opens up. And now let's climb back down that mountain because at the end of the day, we came here to search for wood. All right, let's go. Jackpot!
Jackpot!
Let's have a closer look. This is the kind of wood you bring home to meet your family. Okay, but actually, this bike makes this kind of trip way easier.
Yeah, it's powerful, stable, and we didn't even die.
Yeah, the fat tires make it feel like you could ride over, I don't know, emotional damage.
Or sand, dirt, rock, bad decisions, basically anything.
Alright, now I'm dying to take this bike on a spin all by myself. I will be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. It was so much fun. Let's start loading up that lumber. This seemed like a better idea in theory.
We bought 0 straps. Does it come with warranty?
Yes, it does come with a 1-year limited warranty. If you need speed
Adventure.
and a slightly unhinged way to collect roadside wood, this is the bike. It's beginner friendly and
Affordable.
what should we go find next?
Hopefully something lighter.
Like, subscribe and leave a comment and we will make keeping bad decisions. If you can, please subscribe to my Patreon. This helps me keep my YouTube channel going. See you next time. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen and
Do widzenia.